Come on, y'all know who it is. It's your boy James Poop out here in Fayetteville, man. Going by here, swing through, support Rick Ross and the Car Show for June the 6th, 2025. Check it out, man. Out here. What's up, man? That's a nice old car. I love you, baby.
I love you too. I like this house right
You want
now.
a bike ride with me?
I like how them steps.
That is pretty, hell yeah. I like these trees right here. See these trees right here lined up?
That's one of them trees too.
You gotta get on, hey, you gonna get on the bike with me one time?
Not today.
Okay. I'll ride one time then. I'm parking the car. Real on time.
It feel like that you sleeping.
Hell no. I feel good. I was just, Yes, sir. We out here, baby. Oh, man, do my thing. Right up. You know, Big Bro say, big us, man. You know, we gonna kick it. You know, slick slide, tic-tac on that TikTok, man, one time. Got the whole weekend to do it. The whole weekend to do it. See how they got it. Fault. Look at that goddamn that motherfucker fans here, man.